Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can save high quality photos or images in Canva for free. Now, I want to make things clear. First things first, you need to understand the difference between PNG and JPG. Now, PNG is basically a transparent image, correct? While JPG is a normal image. Now, if you're looking forward to downloading high quality photos, always go with PNG because PNG has the highest quality compared to JPG. Even so, if you try to download and save the images, for example, let's go to File and click Download. Canva recommend you PNG, not JPG. Alright, that is pretty basic, correct? Now, as you can see, I don't have Canva Premium and you don't have the option to increase the size to maximum size, correct? We'll pop this out, try Canva Themes for free. And I'll say if you don't have the premium, you can still download and save high quality images. This is another way you can do this, okay? So if you can, click on File, Download. Now, instead of JPG or PNG, you can download it for PDF. Why? Because PDF is best for printing, correct? When you want to print a picture or an image onto a piece of paper, it needs to be a high quality image, correct? So if you click on PDF for printing specifically, you will get the highest quality possible image, to be exact. All right, now don't go for PDF standard because this is for document and emailing as stated, but go with PDF printing. Now you can click on download. Now once you download the PDF, as you can see, if you zoom in, right, see, this is the highest quality you can get no matter what kind of picture you have. If you try this with a normal PNG or a JPG, you won't get these high quality images, right? Now, if you were to ask me, this is a PDF though, it's a PDF document, I want an image, no problem. You can always convert a PDF into a normal picture, right? You can use your PDF viewer, and if you're like me using Adobe Acrobat, which is everybody's default, if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, it's okay. You can download it for free, but say if you don't want to download, it's totally alright. I will show you another method where you can convert without having Adobe Acrobat. So if you have Adobe Acrobat, you can click on convert, and under convert, you can see there's image format. So click on image format, and remember what I said, right? JPG or JPEG is lower quality compared to PNG. So if you can see this drop down bar here, you click on it, PNG, select PNG, and you can change the image quality to the maximum. You cannot do this in Canva, correct? You can do it in your PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat, right? So click convert image at the highest quality. But wait, again, it's not free, right? No worries. This is how you can also convert PDF into image. All you need to do is search PDF to PNG. As you can see, convert PDF to PNG online. Now upload your files and you can just convert it online for free basically. And you have multiple PDF, you can click download all, or you can just click download here. And now you have the zip folder. Inside the zip folder, this is your PNG. Look at that. This is how you can get it for free. Cool? Awesome. This is how you can convert PDF to PNG for free with the highest quality possible, right? All you need to do is extract this file by copy and paste it to your downloads folder. As you can see right here, this is your PNG image, which is the highest quality. Now, again, but there's a problem if you ask me. Now, if I zoomed in, this is not the highest quality because from the PDF we have seen, it has very strong, solid, smooth lines, but this does not have it. No worries. I can help you solve that using AI. So I want you to go to your browser and search upscale media, right? In the first link, upscale.media, you can upscale your images with AI for free, right? Now you can click on upload image. I'm going to use this car example. And as you can see, by hovering your mouse over the car, you can see the difference between your original image and your new image. Now let's look at an example of the quality before we jump into upscaling the image. So if we zoom in, this is a pretty high definition image. I won't lie to you. Maybe this is not the right image to go with. Damn, I gotta find a picture. Okay, I have found this picture. Let's try this one more time. Okay, this time, as you can see, this picture is quite small. So when we zoom in, as you can see, it's very much blurry and low resolution, correct? By using upscale, this is what you can do. You can upscale to 8 times the quality. And look at that. Now, if you hover your mouse over the car, you can see the difference between the original image and the upscaled image. Look at the difference. Look at this. Wow, that is incredible. From a small image, you can upscale your size. Look at the rock at the back. At first, it was so blurry and now it's so clear. That is crazy. Also, you can enable enhanced quality by using AI if your multiplier is 4 times. If you upscale your image up to 4 times, you can use AI, right? Now, let's look at the difference, okay? I'm gonna download this image. image. Cool. And just so you know, for your information, look at the original size compared to the AI upscaling. Up to 8 times. This is your quality image size. That is massive. Incredible. Now let's try again using the enable enhanced quality. So upscale to 4 times. Okay, how about this? Let's try 2 times instead. All right. And now let's try enhanced quality. And there you go. Oh my word. Wow. Look at how it smoothens the original image compared to the updated one. This is crazy, bro. And the difference between enhanced quality and upscale is that enhanced actually generates any blurred image into a higher quality picture. So if you have a very intricate and detailed picture, whether that's the linen or the thread of your t-shirt, it might distort the picture a little bit, but overall it will still enhance your picture. This is amazing. Now let's compare this both. Oh my word, this is insane. Okay, as you can see, this is the 8 times while this is the enhanced quality. There's not much of a big difference, but one thing for sure I can tell you is that 8 times actually improved the quality 10 times better, I can say. This is enhanced quality on the right, and the left hand side is the 8 times upscale quality, and you can zoom in even more, while this you can only zoom in as much. You can see how much different that is. So I highly recommend the 8 times one. I'm going with 8 times if I were to upscale my images again. Look at that. So if you have any design, poster design, graphic design from Canva, you can use 2 different ways. You can convert to PDF, and from PDF to image using the PDF converter, whether you can use Adobe Acrobat or online completely for free, or you can just use AI to upscale your image 8 times the quality. These are the 2 methods that how you can save it for free. And just so you know, this is the actual image. This is how small and poor the quality of the image. Insane. I just downloaded this. I kid you not. And that is how you can upscale images in Canva totally for free. Now again, this is not to harm or spoil the name of Canva. Let's say if you really cannot afford Canva Premium, you can always use this alternative method. And if you don't want to go all the hassle, you can always try Canva for free or even pay the premium version. That's the best thing I can say. And that is all. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.